Okay, so today we're going to be making a tofu strip salad, very similar to the no-cook tofu that we did before. I know that that was a Korean version, and I told you that there were many Chinese counterparts. And so this kind of a salad falls under the凉拌, which is Chinese for salad, category, where whatever it is, it can be tofu, it could be like yuba skins, various types of vegetables. It's either not cooked or cooked ever so slightly, very minimally. It's served cold, and then you top it off with this, very savory, like garlic, soy sauce, sometimes there's some vinegar, some chilies as well, sauce that you top all over. It's really savory and it's very, very addictive. So you can really put it onto anything, as I will be showing you. We'll be experimenting with different recipes that way on top, and it is really, really good. And this one, there's various veggies that go into it. I will be doing it in the preparation of whole food plant-based. Because I was just thinking, like, if I'm going to show you all how to cook and feed you all, I might as well give you something good that is good for you, because I want you to watch, I want you to learn, I want you to stay nice and healthy as well, and we're able to make the recipes really, really good. So I hope you all enjoy this one. So much of the preparation for this recipe is really prepping the salad ingredients. And because it is a tofu strips salad, you want to just make sure that everything is cut to, around the same size strips. With the tofu strips, you kind of want to make sure to cut it a little bit thinner because they can be a little bit rougher and harsher. With the celery, kind of the same thing, making sure that the width and the sizes are just easy to eat so that you don't get, a big chunk of something. There's a little bit of cilantro to your upper left. So once you have all of that prepared, you want to start by boiling off the yuba skin first. And I would just say about a minute or so. It just softens it ever so slightly. And then I actually change out the water, but it's really depending on you. With the vegetables, it's just a light touch. You just want to take that raw edge off. But I guess if you liked everything really, really crunchy, you could probably just skip that step, I think. Okay, so right now I'm making essentially my soy sauce or my soy sauce substitute. And what I do is I do a tablespoon of either a dark miso or like a no preservative doenjang. And then I mix it with 3 tablespoons of just water or hot water. and just get all of that dissolved, and that way we have more of like a whole food soy sauce going. Okay.
So I've done this a lot now where instead of sesame oil, I substitute it with tahini, and that way I still get that nice sesame flavor, but then not just the oil. And so this bit is where you want to be doing your tasting. Like I actually like it a lot more sour, so I'll add in a little bit more rice vinegar. You might want it a little bit more sweet or a little bit more salty. Make it the way that you like it and the way that your family likes it. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish it off with the spring onions and then the cilantro up top, toss everything together, and it's ready to be served. So what I really like best are the yuba skins because they're kind of chewy. There's some good texture to it, so it does not necessarily feel like you're eating a salad. And you have that really nice savory sauce as well with the garlic and the soy sauce and all of that. So you're left feeling actually quite satisfied. And you didn't have to cook much, and it's still nice and cool in your kitchen, which is good. So I hope you all enjoyed that recipe. Definitely check out my Instagram. Feel free to support the channel over on my Patreon, and I will see you all again next time. Bye.